Hello guys, we're making a healthy juice. As you can see the recipe, it's cucumber and calamansi. This is healthy for your body and please make this for you have a good life and healthy life. Look at my mama. It's so good. Mama making look at the recipes. And you add sliced cucumbers in it and you see? Do you see the recipe? Then you add the calamansi juice. Then you have white sugar. Then next you put water in it. Like that. Look guys. And time to mix. This is the result guys. You see the results? It's now time to serve guys. Hello, we're making some cucumbers like enemy. There's the juice and put in and that's the result. Do you see the result? It's so yummy and refreshing. You can make this in the summer, guys. And if you like this, go and make it right now. Hey guys, thank you for watching.